Welcome to the CloudXentral Video Tutorials. Did you know how to get advantage from your main screen on your CloudXentral Communicator app? Today, we are going to take a look on the options you have from your CloudXentral Communicator control panel. Once you have your app, you may have this same main screen on your PC or even on your cell phone. This is the main screen. You have the option to see your directory with all your contacts on it. Also the option to have the contacts as a list. The next option shows favorites. You can set favorites as you need. And finally, you have history option, which allows you to follow up your phone calls or track your calls, missed calls, received calls, and dialed calls. Let's go back to directory, the main screen. You have all your contacts over here. When you hover over any one of the contacts, you can make a call or start a chat with this contact. But if you hover over the contact, this time you're going to click with the right button click, then you're going to have a lot of options you can get advantage from. The first thing is call and chat with the contact. We already saw it. Then we have the call with option. That's for switch into your cell phone call or switch into your computer phone call. We have the option as well, send a message. This is a text message. You can start a meeting and start a video call with this contact. Or you can call the contact once the contact logs in. That means if the contact is not available now, you can use this option. And as soon as the contact logs in, the system automatically is going to initiate the phone call, and it's going to call your contact. Now, with this options, you can send an email, voice message, and monitor your phone calls with this contact so you can just track the calls with the same contact. As you can see, you have a lot of options here. You can get advantage from just using the click button or your control panel from your CloudXentral application. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. For more information, visit cloudcentral.com or contact us today. Thank you for watching.